Hello guys, and welcome to another vise rebuild video. Now, I already did the restoration on this. These videos are just to show how these vices are put back together once they're completely taken apart, other than the jaws. The jaws are already there, but the rest of the pieces, I will show you how I put these things back together. So today, I am rebuilding a Craftsman 5227 vise. The jaws are approximately 2 3/4 inches wide. Now on the bar, let me show you. The bar, I did not paint this little piece like I typically do because on the one side, it still has the stamping. Don't know if you can quite make it out, but it says patented March 14th, 1933. So, I mean, this device is not new, obviously. Not something you can go back down to your, cheapy freight store every day and buy for 30 bucks. No, no, no. This was a well-built vise. It's, what, 90 years old? Something like that. So yeah, this is well made, well built, built to last. And it really isn't in too bad of a shape. The only thing I did notice on this one, let's see if you can see it. There's a slight hairline crack right here. And that is about like the bottom of the jaw. And it's typical on some of these older ones. I've seen a lot that have this chunk just missing. So yeah, this one, it doesn't look too bad though. It's just a hairline fracture right there, but I don't see it continuing through the length of the bottom of the jaw. So this is in still really great shape. It does have a pritchel hole for, for jewelers, jewelry making, blacksmithing, silversmithing, that sort of thing. But I did clean the whole thing out. This was very, very dirty when I got it. Lots of gunk inside of it and lots of buildup. Anyway, so now, first thing I always do, take the moving jaw, put the lead screw into it, hold it in place with an E-clip. Most of them have an E-clip. Some of them have a cotter pin. I would say 9 times out of 10 they have an E-clip. So here we go. All right, one simple whack, and it's in there. So it's in the groove right there. Purpose of that is that it holds the lead screw to the jaw. So when you unscrew it, it pulls the jaw, the whole thing back with it. If you didn't have an E-clip or a washer or some kind of retaining piece there, all you would be doing is unscrewing the lead screw and the jaw would stay in place, which is annoying if you're working and you really need to release the grip on the workpiece you're working with. And next thing I will do is put the body onto the base. Now, I will mention something about this base. This vise has one of these type of bases. Don't know if these were called something specific. I haven't, done my full research on these yet. But these little divots, this allows for a full 360-degree turn of the vise. So no matter how you mount it on your workbase, you can always swivel this around because it is held into place by this swivel handle with the whole thing built in and machined. This is a 1/2-13 thread size. So when you thread this, the body has a threaded hole. You put this in, and it catches, and so it'll hold the vise into whatever position you put it in. And apologize for my annoying little dog in the background. She's barking because she wants to come in. I'll let her in after the video. Yes, I forgot the washer. Let's see, I don't know if you can see it, but that hole is threaded. Next, I put a little dab of not glue, grease into the body where the lead screw goes into. And that is caught. Now we will see what the width is. And it opens to 3 3/4 inches. Let's see. All right. So there you go, Craftsman 5227, 2 3/4 inch wide jaws, patent March 14th, 1933. The jaws don't close 100% perfect. There's probably maybe a millimeter or two space in there. Mirror polish on the jaws and the anvil. Oh, one more thing before I leave for this video. This vise and many others are available for sale. I do have its brother, the Little Giant. My research tells me that these were made by Rock Island. Of which I happen to have one right here. Bam! Rock Island number 603. Fully restored. This one's a little bit larger than those. A little bit heavier, a little bit bigger. And a full 3 inches wide on the jaws. The other two are 2 3/4. So, anyway, that's all for now. Thank you.